Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring your Vivo supports split screen. Most models with Android 9 or FunTouch OS 9 do. Once done, close memory-hungry apps so the system won't force quit Windows. Now open the first app you want, then access recent apps using the gesture or recent button. You're doing this to lock a stable primary window. Make sure that app is active on screen. This immediate setup prevents crashes and keeps the second app responsive when you trigger the split screen command next. Next, tap the app icon in Recent and select Split Screen or drag the card to the top of the screen. Both achieve the same result. Once the top pane is fixed, pick the second app from Recent, Home, or the App drawer. It fills the lower pane. You can now drag the middle divider to resize windows, and if you need wider view for videos, rotate to landscape. This approach balances performance and usability. Resizing lets you prioritize the app you interact with most. To finish, use the divider. Tap to swap apps, convert one to pop-up, or double-tap to maximize a pane. This speeds workflow. Exit split screen by dragging the divider fully to the top or bottom or closing one app in Recent. If an app refuses to enter split screen, update it first, then clear its cache and try again. If problems persist, reboot the phone. That resolves most allocation or UI glitches. This troubleshooting sequence restores split screen capability without losing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.